Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to collect emails on Gumroad. Now, to go ahead and collect emails on Gumroad, you can create a free digital product, often called a lead magnet, where users enter their email address to download it for just $0. And Gumroad automatically saves these contacts to your audience list, right? So let me just go ahead and show you real quick. Go ahead and create a new product, right? You could either sell for free a digital product or an ebook. It's up to you. Now just give it a price of $0. Next, and by the way, give it a name. Free, just for example. Once that's done, you could add in the description or name it maybe a free cheat sheet, resource guide, or newsletter sign up. So I'm just going to go ahead and change it to newsletter sign up. Now let's go ahead and scroll down. Scroll all the way down. Let's say you have already included your thumbnail, cover, wherever. Scroll down, and then under integrations, you could enable these three. Invite your customers to your Gumroad community chat. Invite your customers to a circle community or to Discord. Now scroll down. Scroll all the way down. So as you can see here, under pricing, it now says free products require a pay what they want price. Just leave it as is. All right. So once that's cleared, go ahead and click on save and continue. Now let's go ahead and go to content. Go ahead and upload a helpful PDF. Say, for example, just this one, a blank PDF of mine. Or you could go ahead and upload a text document thanking them for subscribing. So go ahead and click on save changes and then publish and continue. And by the way, you can't hit on publish and continue right here without connecting a payout method. So go ahead and add in your payout method. And then once that's done, navigate to the left panel right here. Now let's go ahead and find the audience or sales. Okay, you can click on it. Now you'll be able to see a living database of everyone who purchased your free product. So you can go ahead and click on export right here at the very top. So you could go ahead and export a CSV. And then once that's done, you would need to go ahead and import it, okay, into an email marketing platform like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Kit. If you want to know more about MailChimp, we have videos about it as well. So you can go ahead and check our channel out. Now, once you've converted it or imported it to email marketing platforms, you can now go ahead and go to the left panel. Emails right here in the left panel, okay. Create new email right here or new post. So you can go ahead and write email update, newsletter, or product announcement, and then just send them directly through Gumroad for free. And that is how you collect emails on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.